So let's unbox my new castle together. What do we have here? This little fluffy ball, a character from the Studio Ghibli anime, Spirited Away. Oh no, what is this? Oh, my toys. Oh, this is so sad. The card is ruined. The keyring are ruined. I don't know if I can just remove the remaining glue so that the eyes remain. The Studio Ghibli branding is present. It is a pity, but I will still love him. There was also a cat in the order. This is a cat in a Japanese fish hat. White cat in the taiyaki hat. Oh no, the loop is torn off. What is a strange order? Bad store, bad seller, bad mood. I don't recommend this seller. This is my beta experience.